What excites me is the potential of innovation and the potential of efficiencies that I can bring in marketing across all marketing functions. That's what excites me. What scares me about Gen AI is I'm really worried about all these deepfake profiles that come up on social media, AI-generated profiles on social media. I believe that all these social media platforms are supposed to have some regulations on these kind of profiles. Then it'll be a safe place for everyone. No. Gen AI is not going to kill any creativity. Actually, it's going to enhance the creativity. It'll let humans focus more towards a higher level of creativity. I think Gen AI is going to contribute a lot towards creative production. It'll enhance all the creativity that comes out today, and also in data analytics. It will help advertisers analyze complex data, and that's what I'm excited about. So I think everyone in the marketing team needs to enhance their skill sets and be well versed with all the Gen AI tools that are available today, because all of these tools are going to help every advertiser and every brand to achieve their objectives.